Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is a very special tutorial because it is highly requested by my niece and she wanted me to create a look using the Huda Beauty Sand Haze palette because she has this palette. Actually, this is her palette and she really wanted me to create a look using this palette. So I hope you guys like this easy to follow tutorial. I made it super easy so that my niece could follow it also and you guys can follow it too. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the look. I've already done my eyebrows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade 4. And now let's get started with the eyeshadows. I'm gonna first take this color on the Zoeva brush. This is a 227 brush and I'm adding this color on my crease and I'm going higher when I'm blending, like as high as my brow bone. This palette reminds me a lot of the Naughty Nude palette. As I said, my niece gave me this palette and she really wanted me to do a tutorial with this palette. So that's my second layer. Just going back and forth, adding the color on my upper crease, and then when I'm blending, I'm going as high as the brow bone. That's the third layer. Same thing, adding on the crease, and when blending, I'm going as high as my brow bone. I always like to wing it out to create like an elongated eye look. Makes my tiny eyes look bigger. Blending eyeshadow is literally like my cardio, like just going back and forth. Just adding one more layer, so that's the fourth layer. Next I'm going to take the darker shade on a smaller blending brush. This is the MAC blending brush and now I'm adding this color onto my crease and darkening the crease a bit more, and I'll even add it to the outer corner. Just adding on the crease and the outer corner without any color on my previous brush. I'm just gonna blend out the edges and I'm gonna add one more layer of the darker color in the next step. This brush has no color. I just want to blend out the edges before adding any more color. Just adding a bit more of the darker color on my outer corner and my crease. Do you guys get like 1 million thoughts when you're doing something, like especially like now when I'm doing my eyeshadow? I always have like 1 million thoughts. What I do is the meditation method. Let the thoughts just come. Don't fuel fire to your thoughts. Just sit back and see where the thought train is going. Don't add fuel to it. And that's how the thoughts disappear. And then you come back to real life. I hope that helps. I'm just going back and forth, blending out the edges. Next, I'm going to do a cut crease. The trick to like a good cut crease is that your brush should be really saturated well with the concealer. Don't take like just tiny amount of concealer. Like take a good amount of concealer. So it's easy to create like a nice edge. A dry brush won't create that nice clean edge. So that's my cut crease. Next I'm going to take this peach color on a flat shader brush and I'm patting and adding this only over the concealer which I use to cut the crease. So basically I'm just setting this concealer before adding the shimmery color. By doing this, the shimmery color will pop a bit more. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery shade. I've taken this also on a flat shader brush, but this brush is a synthetic brush. When I want to add a glitter shade or shimmery shade on my eyelid, I always prefer using a synthetic brush. Just adding all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. Next, I'm again taking the darker purple shade and just gently wiggling where the shimmery shade meets the matte color, and just where nothing is left on the brush, I'm just going about the crease and just wiggling it back and forth. Now I'm quickly gonna do my face makeup and be right back. And I'm back after doing my face makeup, and now let's continue doing the bottom of the eye. I'm gonna first line my waterline with the UrbanDecay eye pencil, and then I'm going to line my lower waterline, and then I'm going to let it bleed to the lower lash line. Next I'm going to take this dark purple shade on a pencil brush. I'm adding this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. Next I'm going to take this lighter mauve shade on a little bigger pencil brush. Then I'm going to blend out the edges of the previous shade all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. Next I'm going to add the shade on the inner corner, just adding it to the top inner corner and the bottom inner corner. Next I'm adding the Marc Jacob mascara on the top lashes from the inner corner to the outer corner. Favorite part of this mascara is the tapered wand, adding it from the inner corner till the outer corner. And I'm gonna add some SheGalm lashes. Love these lashes. I'm not sure about the number. Okay, it's 3DN16. I'll link it down below. Lashes done, and I'm gonna add some Colourpop lipstick in the shade Me. This is one of my favorite Colourpop lipsticks. It's like a nice mauve color. And that's the final look using the Huda Beauty Sand Haze palette. This palette is very similar to her New Nude palette, but of course New Nude palette has many more colors. And I love her mini palettes because so easy to travel with. But at the same time, I know the colors are limited, but you can create so many looks, like all smoky eye and a cut crease, a non-cut crease. So many looks with this palette. I really hope my niece likes this look that I created especially for her. And I hope she tries it, and I hope you guys try it too. And before you leave, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I'll definitely get back to you. And if you've not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. It really means a lot to me. So bye for now, and I'll see you soon in my next tutorial. Bye.